In this video, I'll show you how to install application on your Samsung Smart TV if they are not available on your App Store. This is very easy. If you find this video useful, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in installing an application to your Smart TV, after searching for it on your App Store and it's not available, this is what you can do to get the application. Now you come over to this application called Downloader. Now, this Downloader application gives you the advantage or opportunity of installing applications or APKs from the net. If you don't have this application, in the description of this video, there's a video there that shows you how to install this application to your smart TV. It's called Downloader. Now, after installing the Downloader application, you have to launch it on your smart TV, and then in the search box you are going to put in the application name or URL to the website in which you want to download the application you want from. For instance, if we're in search of an application like Chrome, I just come to this box and I type in Chrome. So for instance, we're just going to quickly type in Chrome. Now this is I'm assuming that Chrome is not available on your App Store. So you're just going to come here and type Chrome. So after typing the Chrome, you're going to click on Go, and it's going to lead you to where you can install the Chrome browser on your smart TV. Very easy. Subscribe to this YouTube video for more videos like this. So you can come to this third option, and this is where you can install the Chrome browser to your smart TV if it's not on your inbuilt App Store.